How's it going, Entre Nation? Jeff Lerner here, and today we are going through 5 different websites you can sign up to right now to start making money as soon as possible. I'm sure we could all do with some money while sleeping, right? Like Warren Buffett says, you're not rich till you're making money while you sleep. And if you're new to this channel, subscribe below for all the latest videos on entrepreneurship, personal growth, and wealth creation. Make sure to hit the bell. Let's get into it. First up, I want to talk about 2 different websites called Udemy and Skillshare that can generate income for you in 2 different ways, both immediately and then ongoing passively. Have you ever taken a course on one of these websites? Well, Udemy is a website that enables anyone to teach and learn online. And Skillshare is an American online learning community for people who want to learn from shared educational videos. So what I would suggest you do is to create a course. And before you think, well, that's great, but I have nothing to teach, well, just follow along with me here. You don't need to be special or skilled to do this, but you will need a phone with a microphone and, of course, your computer. Also, if you're thinking, well, I don't want to shoot a video of myself, you can create a slideshow and be behind the camera the whole time. Teachingguide.com estimates that about 40% of classes have made over $5,000. And this may or may not sound like a lot of money to you, but what if I told you there are ways to make even more than whatever you make just selling your courses? I mean, a lot more than that. I'm gonna share about that in a moment here. There are literally thousands of courses you could create. Anything from how to make a latte, English lessons, photography, design, health and fitness, travel tips. You think it, you name it, you can create it. And if you're not sure what to create, try thinking about things that you already love doing. Do you cook for your family every night? Try making a cooking tutorial. It doesn't need to have fancy editing. It doesn't need to have beautiful imagery or design. Just an explanation of what you're doing, add in a sprinkle of personality, put it on some basic slides, and you're good to go. Okay? So now let's talk about the money-making side of things. How do you actually do this and turn it into income? Well, on Skillshare, the customers who sign up to view the courses, they pay $10 a month to be able to access all the videos. So you simply create a course, and once it's live, you don't need to do anything. You just start getting paid whenever people watch your videos. Basically, Skillshare shares the revenue with the people whose courses get viewed. And the great thing is, Skillshare already has a massive built-in audience, and it also has a ton of optimization in the search engine, so it's naturally always getting more and more traffic whenever people search for things on Google. And you get paid for every single minute that someone watches your videos. You can sign up as a Skillshare affiliate too, and then every time a customer signs up as a member from a link that you put out there, you get a commission. And we're gonna talk some more about that here in a minute. And then I also mentioned Udemy. You get to create a course for free, and they actually sell your courses, and you keep 70% of the revenue from your courses, or 85% if you directly refer the customer to the course. So there's some really good money to be made on Udemy as well. You can also sign up, like I mentioned for Skillshare, you can sign up as a Udemy affiliate and promote your own course or even other people's courses and receive commissions on that too. Now, if you're hearing all this going, well, you know, a few $100, a few $1,000, I don't know, can you really make a lot of money selling courses? I'm gonna briefly tell you, yes. I started making courses in 2017. I'm shooting this video here, it's 2020 now? I like literally blanked on the year. So I haven't even been doing this for 3 full years. And since I started making courses, and admittedly, I put a lot of time into making really good courses, I've sold over $13 million worth of courses online doing exactly what I'm talking about, recording on my computer, recording with a microphone, recording with my phone, and selling courses through what's called the digital education or the self-education movement. It's a massive trend. There are hundreds of billions of dollars shifting from traditional mainstream education to online education. That's why I'm creating this video, to teach you how to capitalize on that trend. And if you want to learn about how I make the higher end courses that have generated, over $13 million, I actually do have a course on how to make a course. Put a link below for it. No pressure though. You don't have to buy the course, but definitely get in on this idea. There's huge money to be made. Now, once you make your course, whether you learn from me or not, let's say you put it on Udemy, you put it on Skillshare, you put it on any other site where you can sell it, then things get even better. you've not only created your course and put it on these platforms, but you've also become an affiliate of these platforms, and that gives you a third way to make money. And what I mean is not only being an affiliate for Udemy or Skillshare or wherever you're selling the course, but also for any products that you mention in your course. So with our cooking example, for example, all you do in that case is sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. You get your tracking link from Amazon for the cookware that you talk about in the course, and then you put that link in the description of your tutorial in the course. And then when anybody goes to say buy the same cookware that you use, then you get paid. So basically in the course you say, yeah, there's a link below where you can get everything that I use to cook in this course. Simple as that, you get paid multiple ways. So now you've been introduced to the basics of affiliate marketing. Just to give you a definition, affiliate marketing is when you connect a buyer to someone else's product and you receive a commission from it. There are tons of websites that have affiliate programs that you already use all the time. Once you learn the skills of affiliate marketing, you can market anyone's products. Again, just to give you a testimonial, you might hear this and go, oh, I make a few bucks on cookware, a few $100 over here, a few dollars over there. Let me tell you, when I got started online, 2008, I was in a ton of debt. I was broke. I was nearly homeless. I'd been evicted from my apartment. In the next 5 years, I generated over $10 million with affiliate marketing, which by the way is one of the things that I went on and created a course about. See, it's this whole world, and you have to get momentum and you have to start taking action, and these things all feed on themselves, right? Okay, so let's go back to the basics of affiliate marketing. A great place to start is a website called clickbank.com. This is one of the first sites that I used when I got started in affiliate marketing. It's been around since 1998, even 10 years before I started, and has more than 6 million clients worldwide. It offers over 46,000 individual products to its affiliate marketers and provides services in over 200 countries. And you can sign up and earn up to 75% commission on anything that you sell off of Clickbank. And one of the great things about Clickbank is they give you all this reporting, all this data, so you actually know what products are selling, you know how much commission products are producing, and you can pick products that you already know convert really well to a given audience. And plus, many of the products on Clickbank are subscription-based, so you can actually sell them one time and be receiving monthly income just from that one sale. Also, if you happen to have your own products, like let's say maybe a course that you create, you can join Clickbank as a seller and list your products on there or your course and let other people promote your products for you. Then another website, I mentioned this earlier, to sign up for as an affiliate is the Amazon Associates program. They call it associates because they're Amazon and they can be different, but basically they mean affiliates. This is one of the largest, maybe the largest and most successful online affiliate program with over 900,000 members worldwide, of which I am one. I'm sure you've heard of Amazon. The CEO is Jeff Bezos. He was the first centibillionaire. If you don't know what that means, it just means he has $100 billion. He's been the world's richest person since 2017, and we're probably never gonna make as much money as Jeff Bezos, but there's still a lot of money to be made through affiliate marketing, and Amazon's a great platform. So if you want to affiliate with a company where nobody's gonna have any doubts or sketchiness around what you're promoting, Amazon is great because everybody knows Amazon. You can choose from over 1 million products to promote. It's super easy to join. It's free. All you have to do is basically show Amazon that you have some sort of an audience, like a Facebook group or a website or just some way to share their products. And you'll typically receive, it's not huge commissions, anywhere from like 1 to 10%. It tends to max out around 10%. But the great thing about Amazon, because we all know Amazon, we all buy things there all the time. If you send a customer there for one thing and while they're there, they buy other things in the same session, you receive commissions on that too. Affiliate marketing, for obvious reasons, is a huge passion of mine. I know I've shared this story before, but that's, like I said, how I got out of all that debt when I started in 2008. It was almost $500,000 in debt that I was able to pay off in about 18 months when I was just starting out with no previous experience online. And I've been an affiliate for many companies. There are literally thousands of options, I know, because I've tried a huge number of them. And I have over 2 decades worth of experience in this category, affiliate marketing, also creating courses, Also, ran an agency. Pretty much anything online you can do, I've done it. I've tried the things that don't work and I've succeeded at the things that do. And I've put together some training below. Again, that's not what this video is about, but if you'd like to get more of my training, this is a video about creating courses, right? So forgive me for telling you about my courses, but there's a link below for that. And here's the deal when it comes to my training. Yes, I like to make money on the internet. Yes, I like to teach other people how to do that, but I am passionate about the full gamut of life excellence, health, wealth, freedom, relationships, all of it. And so my courses tend to cover the full spectrum of how to not only make money online, but ultimately how to have an excellent life. If you'd like to see a full breakdown of the content covered and definitely learn more about affiliate marketing and definitely learn more about creating courses, click the link below in the description. I know that I've been sharing websites that you can get on right now without any investment, but I also want to share a website that you can try out if you're willing to spend a little money, but you want to receive a good return on your investment. Have you heard of Flippa, F-L-I-P-P-A? This is a site where you can purchase websites, apps, or domains that are already established. The beauty of this is you can see what the actual monthly net profit is on a website, and then you can choose what to do with it. So for example, if there's a site that has a net profit of $500 a month, and you invest $3,000 to purchase it, then you would get a return on investment within 6 months. And if you're a good marketer, you'll know how to turn that $500 a month into $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000, depending on the category. And that's where these things can be really good investments. The other thing is that's just measuring the income that comes in off of the actual direct sales on the website. There's other ways to monetize a website. You could put banner ads on the website. You could put affiliate links on the website. There's other ways to make even more money. And there is some serious money to be made on Flippa. The most expensive website sold on Flippa was planetrx.com that sold for $1.2 million. And the most expensive domain, just a domain, no website, it's like having an address with no house built, was stockphoto.com, which sold for $250,000 US. So the trick is to keep on top of the trends and identify what types of websites and what types of website names are going to be good investments. So you can see that the internet is the place to go to make money, and there are so many ways to start up right now. So go ahead and sign up to any of the websites I mentioned. And if you'd like more support, you have questions, you can ask anything you want in the comments below, or click the link that I also put in the description for my training, which also gives you access to Entre Nation. Entre Nation is a free community of entrepreneurs that I put together to support each other just for projects like this. And if you got any value from this video, I will ask you to hit the like button. It really helps the channel out, helps me bring you more good content. And if you want more content on how to have the most excellent life possible, I would suggest that you subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit the notification bell so you get notified of future videos. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one.